Hello guys, you're all welcome to the sewing tutorial of the skirt and the top we are making. Now we'll be starting off with the skirt part, and I'll be showing you guys how to work on the slit area. Remember that the lining piece is not going to get all the way to the end line. It's not going to be a full lining. So I'll be showing you how to just work on the slit area. Now I've already gone ahead to iron it out. This is the M line. This is the M line of the skirt. So all you need to do is to fold it like this. Then fold this other part, the vent area of the skirt. Fold it over. Then ensure that there is a kind of triangle at this side. If you're able to get this, you take it to your ironing table, then you iron to form this crease line. So the next thing I will do is to pin it down. I'll pin down this part, then cut. This is just an easy way to work on this area to give it a very neat finishing. So what I will do is to cut off the excess fabric, leaving like half inch or a quarter inch. Just be careful so that you don't cut too much. Okay, so this is what I have right now. After doing that, after cutting off, then I'll remove my pins. I'm not going to be sewing on the front part. I'll just flip carefully, flip to the wrong side, then pin down again. Then I'm going to sew all the way to the end. So I'm going to sew a quarter inch all the way to the end, just to finish off this part neatly. I'll do that for the two sides. Can you see how it's looking? Even though I've not gone to sew it yet, already looking good. Okay, so I'm going to do that for this part and this other part. So I'm done with the hem line. I'll just take it to my ironing table and then give it a very good press all the way to the waist of the okay. I'll just iron up a little and then iron. Then this is the lining piece, and I'm also drawing the center back of the lining piece. The next thing I'll be doing is to sew my darts. I'll just sew my darts for the fabric and the lining separately. So each of them separately. And then for the front part, the only thing I'll be doing at the front part is to use the lining to turn the waist of the skirt. Remember there is no dart on the waist part of the front skirt. So I'm just going to use the lining to turn the waist and then do an under stitch to keep it in place. Then end the work on the hem line just to finish it neatly. I think I'll be leaving it, so I don't need to touch it. I've sewn all the darts and I've also turned the waistline with the lining. So I'll just have to give it a very good press before I continue. This is the front. I've done with the front. I've done the waistline. Now, to keep this part in place, I'll need to iron. And then I'll fix my hemming tape just to keep it firm since there is no band, a bandless skirt. So the next thing I'll be doing is to place right side facing each other, right side of the front and the back facing each other like this. Then I'm going to sew along the sides, two sides. Then finish the hem line. It's actually a very easy process. Sewing a skirt is just Very few steps and very easy. Then I'll also fix my wig. Okay, so I'll do that, all of that, and bring it to show you guys the finished look of this skirt. Right now, we'll be working on the top of the outfit we're making. Now, I did this. I'm going to be using this one to turn the flared part. Okay, so I'm going to be using it to turn the flared part. I'll just sew, I'll sew on the M line, half inch, then do an under stitch to keep it in place. I'll do that for the two of them. And then these are the front pieces, the front and the back actually. I already removed my pattern, but if you followed the pattern drafting, you will understand what I'm doing right now. So this is it. This is the side. Remember we joined the front and the back of this portion. That's why it's looking like this. This is actually the side piece. And this is the center front. Um, I'm going to be sewing this. This is going to be the bottom placket. This is going to be the bottom placket, and this is the back. So I'm going to be joining each of them with half inch. I've turned the flares on the sides. I've turned the both of them, so I'm going to give it a good very good press. I have succeeded in joining all the side pieces for the front and the back. So this is what it looks like right now. This is one part, and this is the other part. So the next thing I'll do is to join this in order to get the center, then notch. So I'll just take this one. I already notched this. I notched it already. So I'll just take this one like this. Go to this end. I'll sew to this end and continue to the end line. Okay. Remember that the end line is this one is longer than this piece. The flat piece is longer than this one, so I think I'll have to lose a little, then sew in. So I'll lose to that extent, then sew, notch in order to free this part from this part. I'll notch this point, then attach this one. I'm going to be using lining to turn this other part, so I'll use lining to turn the other part. The same thing I did for the fabric for this part of two sides is what I'm going to do on the lining piece. So let's set this aside for now. Work on that. Then these are the yokes for the front and the back. So what I'll do is to arrange them accordingly. This for the back, these are center back, and this is the one for the front. Remember that there is a piece here, an Ankara piece that will add into this one. So what I just need to do now is to arrange them accordingly. Okay, this is it. And this is the lining for each. Okay, so I'm going to be joining the Ankara piece. This is it here. This is the Ankara piece. I'll be using to turn both of them. Okay, then I'll be joining the back to the front along the shoulder seam. Along the shoulder seam. So I'll do the same thing for the lining and the fabric. I've been able to join all the pieces for the yoke, the front and the lining part, and this is what it looks like. This is the front and this is the lining. And see how neat it is. And I've also gone ahead on this one. Okay, see what it looks like. Remember, this part is shorter on the front. Now, there's something I noticed. The back is not looking okay to me. So you can see that the flat part is shorter than the other middle piece. So what I plan to do is to just trim it a bit, trim off the excess. So the flare and the middle piece are going to be equal for the back only. The next thing I'll be doing is to take my yoke part, okay, no, this one should be for this. Okay, so I'll take this part, hmm, I'll fix in this one like this, hmm, then take the fabric this way, the lining. I'm just going to use the lining to finish it neatly. So I'm sewing the three of them, one, two, and three. I'm going to be sewing the three of them. I'll do the same thing for the other side. And then this is my lining piece. I've joined all the parts now. It's joined of lining. So when I'm done with this one, with fixing the yoke and turning with the lining of the yoke, I'll just bring this one like this. And I think I'll join at this side. I'll have to join at this side with some placket area like this. Okay, let me just take it one at a time. Let's fix the yoke first. Let's fix the yoke first. Hey guys, this is how far we have come. This is how far we have gone. I've been able to join the yoke on the looking good, as you can see. Hmm. So at this point, I'll need to join the lining part. Um, it's going to be easy since I've already done the majority of the work. All I need to do is just to attach this one. This is the center piece. Join this one like this all the way. Then this one, this part will be joined to the center front to the placket area to finish off this part. So once I'm done with the lining, I'm done with the lining, and now I'm done with the dress, I'll work on the sleeve. The sleeve is a basic sleeve that has a design on the hemline, hem of the sleeve. So what I will do is, this is it. I already cut it out. What I will just do is, I'll turn this one at this upper area, hmm, then join it to the sides, match it. I think I'll have to match it on top just to keep it in place. It's a very basic sleeve, and then join the sides, then fix, attach to the armhole of the top. So we're almost done. We're almost done. Looking good. I'm happy with the progress I've made so far. All right, let's go. This is the final result of the skirt and top we have been making. It has flares on the sides. I really love this outfit. It was really challenging, but I'm happy it came out so well. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That will really help me grow. Thank you guys. Bye.